Hi, we are all using ArcGIS online and ArcGIS interface. Now we will see how to automate and customize content and help to perform administrative tasks like user, group and items management using ArcGIS API for Python. First import ArcGIS. Now let's check first the ArcGIS version. You can see ArcGIS version is 2.4.0. Now let's connect my ArcGIS online account. From arcgis.gis import GIS. Provide my ArcGIS online account URL and credential. Now let's see how many items are there in my ArcGIS online account. Items equal to gis.content. This content means here you can see this my content in my AGOL account. Dot search query. It's blank means it will return all items in my organization. Max items mean it return maximum 100 items. For item in items, now print all those items ID, title and type. Now run this code. See, this is items ID, this is title and this is type. Now I want to print a comma within items ID and title to see better output. Now it's look good and also understand all the items properly. Thanks for watching.